Namaskar, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a huge privilege for me. The Future Scholars Academy Bhaduria presents TFSA Quizzical Inter-School Quizzing Program commemorating the 160th birth anniversary of the saint, the seer, the visionary, the father of chemistry, Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy. And I believe that everybody who is watching here, wherever the broadcast is going, all over the world, this is a huge occasion in the post-pandemic with your friend Quiz Master Rajiv coming together in an occasion of joy, spirit and happiness. And I request the console to give the sound of the presentation which is not being played. Console, may I request you to give the sound please? I cannot hear the sound. Yes. The Future Scholars Academy Bhaduria presents TFSA Quizzical, and now this is an occasion where these wonderful teams have participated. APJ School, Salt Lake, Asian International School, Brainiac Heritage School, North Point Day School, Olivia English Enlightened School, Shiliguri, Raniganj Lions, JDMC DAV Public School, Salt Lake Siksha Niketan, Satish Chandra Memorial School, and the Future Scholars Academy Bhaduria. The uniqueness of this quiz is we are podcasting and broadcasting from the studio of 24 Hours TV. We are really grateful to them. We are grateful to all the teachers, all the coordinators of the numerous schools who have come together to make this program a rollicking success. I acknowledge my gratitude to Opula ma'am for giving me this opportunity to come, although, and also her wonderful team of students and teachers. So without much ado, we'll go to the rules and regulations, which are pretty simple. There are 4-round quiz. The first round of the quiz is being dedicated to Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy. Question number 1 goes to team number 1 plus 10. If you cannot answer, passes to team number 2 plus 10. But even if you don't know the answer, it doesn't make a difference, because here we are to celebrate, to commemorate the knowledge, and as the saying goes, Purna Madang Purna Midang Purnat Purna Mudachyate Purnashva Purna Madaya Purnameva Vashishyate. So seeking perfection and Purnatya, this is your friend this evening, Quizmaster Rajiv Sanyal, and with the teams, put your hands together to begin the quiz today. I hope the rollicking show, wishing you all the best. So that is TFSA Quizzical round 1.
Go.
Put your hands together. 2nd August 2021. Made online. 24 Hours TV, our online partners. Thank you so much. If you are ready, first question. Are you going to APJ Salt Lake?
Go. Round 1.
Let's begin with round 1. Here comes the first question of the quiz. Going to Sanket Pal, Debanik De and Shanondita Ghosh. Here comes your question dedicated to Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy. The world is looking for treatment of COVID-19, and India is the leading manufacturer of X. The man behind X is Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy, known as the father of Indian chemistry, who was a well-known Indian scientist, teacher, and one of the first modern Indian chemical researchers. He discovered a stable compound that I have blocked off, never mind. So you have to identify the compound of the medicine. I have given a lot of hint there. HYDRO, then I have blocked off. So it's a big word. And India is the leading manufacturer. Believe me or not, Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy was a visionary who shook the very foundations of the British Empire in numerous ways. and he created the Bengal chemicals, and he was a Gyan Tapas. So my first question going to team number 1, Sanket, Devanik De and Shanandita Ghosh of APJ. Which is the compound I am looking for? What is your answer? APJ School, Salt Lake. Are you answering? APJ? APJ could not answer. Going to Asian International School, Aditya Gupta, Ritojit Pramanik and Avranil Malik.
Hydroxychloroquine.
Hydroxychloroquine is indeed the correct answer. So, team number 2, they opened their account with plus 10. Well done. So, hydroxychloroquine, discovered such a long time back, commercially made, had come in a wonderful way for treating the COVID-19 disease. Okay, well done. Next question going to Asian International School. Your question coming up. Sound please.
Who not only, and especially on August 2nd, which happens to be the birth day of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Rai, who not only is known for setting up Bengal chemicals, but also providing the most important ingredient of the industry, metallurgy, at that point in time, which today might be just like any other chemical, but at that point in time, our dependence on it was immense. And to complement that need and to avoid any kind of import for that matter, Acharya Prafulla Chandra Rai stood up, took the lead and established something which we all know as Bengal chemicals.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nakul Parasar sir. You have been a guiding light, and through your speech you have inspired us. And you have said something about Acharya Prafulla Chandra Rai. And from your speech, I have cut this clip paying tribute to you also, and also the great scientist. So he was talking about a chemical that was produced by Acharya Prafulla Chandra Rai, and that was a huge thing to happen at that time. Which chemical compound? I am talking about Asian International School.
Mercurous nitrate.
Mercurous nitrate is incorrect. Brainiac Heritage School. Brainiac Heritage School. Trying? Not trying. North Point Day School. Passing off. If you cannot just say pass beta, because it's an online program, I cannot see you. Yeah.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Yes, please.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
I'm repeating the question. Nakul Parasar ji was talking about some chemical. At that time, it was produced commercially by Acharya Prafulla Chandra. It's a huge thing. So, what chemical is talking about? If you have not heard his speech, you will not be able to answer. Olivia English Enlightened School. Olivia. Raniganj Lions DAB Public School. Mercurous nitrite. No. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Satish Chandra Memorial School.
Pass.
Pass. That is a good. If you cannot answer, just say pass. Very good. Future Scholars Academy, Baduria. Okay. You don't know the answer? APJ School, Salt Lake. Asian International School. Which question was that?
Ours.
So it was Brainiac. Okay. Anyone in the audience trying to answer this? Yes, please. Who is this? Okay.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid is the correct answer. Let us give the sound, please.
But also providing the most important ingredient of the industry, metallurgy, at that point in time, which is the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid today might be just like any other.
Put your hands together. Thank you, Nakul Parasar ji, sir. Next question going to Brainiac. Next question going to Brainiac. North Point. Your question coming up. If you have heard ma'am giving the introductory lecture, you should have known the answer. Prafulla Chandra was very affectionate towards his students. He used to repeat the Sanskrit saying, "A man may desire victory always, but he should welcome defeat at the hands of his dash dash." Famous Indian scientists like Meghnad Shah, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar were among his illustrious students. So what was that great teacher saying? A man may desire victory always, but he should welcome defeat at the hands of his dash dash. This question going to North Point Academy. What is your answer, North Point?
Pass.
A teacher would pass. Okay, Olivier English Enlightened School. A teacher will expect defeat at the hands of Raniganj, Lions JDMC DA Public School. कुछ बोलो, pass. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Say something. Don't worry. I'll not bite you.
Enemy.
What? Enemy. Okay. Satish Chandra Memorial. Okay. Satish Chandra Memorial School. Satish Chandra Memorial School.
Can you repeat the question?
Sanskrit saying a man may desire victory always, but he should welcome defeat at the hands of his. Okay. Home team. Future Scholars Academy. Decidement. Who? We are not excused. Who says this?
Who says this?
Sir, this is from Olivia.
Olivia, your term is gone.
Term is gone.
APJ School, Salt Lake. Asian International School. Brainiac.
Excuse me, sir.
Repeat. There is a bit of technical problem.
Can we proceed?
No, you should proceed. So nobody answering this question. Unfortunately,
Sir,
we'll see the answer. A man may desire victory always, but he should welcome defeat at the hands of his own disciple. And our very own Apollo ma'am, while giving a stirring speech this morning, welcome speech, she said this, and believe me, when a the teacher feels the happiest when you students, thanks to the teachers, put your hands together for the teachers. They have taken all their pens to come over here with you people, for you people. I salute the teachers. Never mind. It's a senior quiz, so we are having a bit of tough competition. Next question going to question number 4. Yes, own disciples.
Yes, own disciples.
Own disciples, own students is the answer.
Sir, Brainiac की question হয়নি.
Brainiac এর question হয়নি?
Yes, sir.
Question number 1, let me go through it. Just a minute. Question number 1 was this. It was APJ School. Question number 2 to Asian International. Question number 3. This was question number 3. We skipped Brainiac. Acha, never mind. So now we go to the question. Now we go to Brainiac. Brainiac, your question coming up. What is common to, what connects these products? Home care and cleanliness, Canther iodine hair oil, phenol, bleaching powder, naphthalene balls and white tiger. This is a quiz dedicated to the great scientist. What is the connection between these things? Brainiac, your question.
Chemical.
Yes, please, Brainiac, bolo.
Bengal chemical.
Bengal Chemical. All things are produced at Bengal Chemicals. Brilliant answer. Brainiac gets plus 10. Ma'am, Brainiac gets plus 10. Wonderful. It's a Bengal Chemical. But now I'll jump to the question of Olivia English Enlightened School. Your direct question coming up, Olivia. In 1932, he wrote his own autobiography in English and named it The Life and Experience of a dash dash. A dash dash. What is the name of his autobiography? The first part talks about his linguistic identity and the second part talks about his professional identity. We are here this morning and afternoon and evening with this wonderful quiz. Yes, Olivia English Enlightened School. What is your answer? Olivia, बोलो.
The language and profession.
Huh?
Language and profession.
I cannot exactly hear. What is the answer they gave?
The language and profession.
Language and division. No. We'll go to Raniganj Lions JDMC. If you cannot answer, please say pass. It's an online program going on. Okay. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan.
Pass. Pass. That's it.
Give it a try, beta. Satish Chandra Memorial School.
Bengali chemist.
Bengali chemist is a brilliant answer. Satish Chandra Memorial School, plus 10. Life and experiences of a Bengali chemist. Wonderful. Next question going to Raniganj Lions JDMC Public School. Around 1895, Prafulla Chandra started his work in the field of discovering nitrite chemistry, which turned out to be extremely effective. In 1896, he published a paper on preparation of new stable chemical compounds. Prafulla Chandra said that it was a new chapter of his life that started with the unanticipated discovery of X. Identify the compound. Raniganj Lions JDMC Public School. Your question. Delhi Public School. Yes. Yes, please.
Mercurous nitrite.
Mercurous nitrite is the correct answer. Put hands together for them. That was an watershed. 6Hg plus 8NO3 is equal to 3Hg2NO3 whole 2 plus nitrous oxide plus 4H2O. It was a watershed event in the history of Indian chemistry. That is a wonderful way to answer. Raniganj, Salt Lake, your question coming up now. A big question, but you can answer. Prafulla Chandra Roy was a nationalist. He wanted the science to be taught in the vernacular language, in Bengali for example. For this he started writing science textbooks in Bengali. He used to tell the story of the famous Russian chemist, that's the hint, who is famous for his why. Russian chemist, famous for his why. He first published his work in the Russian language. So all the scientists of the world, they had to learn the Russian language to find out. So who is this scientist and what is his invention? Want a hint? Want a hint?
Yes.
I'll tell you a small poem. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. I told you a poem. Yes, please. Whose question? Salt Lake, Shiksha Niketan? Yes, Salt Lake. If you cannot answer this after listening to my point, I think I should go down and put a gatta on your head. Not trying? Satish Chandra Memorial School.
X Bertillon and Y periodic table.
Who is X?
Bertillon.
Bartholin. Periodic table. I'm sorry. Give them 5 please for the periodic table. I'm passing up to the next school. Satish Chandra Memorial School. You get the answer? Okay. Future Scholars Academy. Who is X? Mendeleev is the correct answer. Mendelev's periodic table. Give them 5. Give this team 5 and the previous team 5 for saying Mendeleev, well done. Why are people looking so glum? Come on, look happy. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan, you got 5, I believe. And Future Scholars Academy getting 5. Achha, next question going to Satish Chandra got 5. Satish Chandra 5. Now, team number 8. Satish Chandra. Next question. Team number 8. Satish Chandra, your question coming up. He would recite poems. Okay, I kept this question for some specific reason. You might not answer this, but because of this question you will realize how our ancient chemistry, how our ancient astronomy were so far ahead of times. We don't need the Western people to come and teach us. We knew nothing. He would recite poems from Rabindranath Tagore and quote slokas from Rasa Ratnakara, written by the ancient chemist X. In 1922, he donated money to establish the prize to be awarded for the best work in chemistry in the name of this ancient chemist. If you want a bad hint, I can tell you that there is a South Indian hero whose name is akin to this great chemist, alchemist from the past. Which chemist I am talking about, who wrote the book called Rasa Ratnakara? It starts with N. The name of the person starts with the letter N. No. Yes. Okay, yes please. Yes, Satish Chandra Memorial School. Are you trying? Satish Chandra, not trying. Yes, Future Scholars Academy.
Nagarjuna.
Okay, I accept that. I accept
Sir, we
Nagarjuna.
told Nagarjuna.
Who said?
Yes, sir. Satish Chandra Memorial School.
But I could not hear you. Console?
I'm sure Northburn Day School did not get the chance, sir. We were supposed to tell the answer. You just skipped us.
No. I didn't skip you. Because question number 4 had gone to team number. So that was. Achha, Console, could you hear Satish Chandra Memorial saying Nagarjuna? Hello? I'll tell you friends, this is an online program, so there are a lot of FOPA and connectivity. Console, could you hear? Please check out the console. But never mind friends. Yes. Satish Chandra said Nagarjuna. Could you hear that? And what I'll do is, I'll give both Satish Chandra and Future Scholars Academy plus 10 for this. Put your hands together. But you should be very clear and articulate. Okay? Never mind. Question, so that was Nagarjuna. The story is, he was an extraordinary wizard of science, born in the nondescript village of Baluka in Madhya Pradesh. He dedicated research for 12 years, produced major discoveries and inventions in the faculties of chemistry and metallurgy. Textual masterpieces like Rasa Ratnakar, Rasa Dhruva and Rasendra Mangal are his renowned contributions to the science of chemistry. Where the medieval alchemist of England failed, Nagarjuna had discovered the alchemy of transmuting base metals into gold. Put your hands together for these great sadhakas. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity. The last question of this round coming to Future Scholars Academy, Baduria. Recently, Vigyan Prasad, they had a program and it was titled Prafulla Chandra Ray was addressed the Rishi Dadhichi. Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray, a Rishi Dadhichi in the service of this nation. Who is Rishi Dadhichi? Your question, Future Scholars Academy. Give me the story. What did Dadhichi do? Even if you don't know, never mind. We'll come to know about it. Give it a try. Why do you look so glum? It's okay, beta. You don't know the answer. APJ School, Salt Lake, Asian International School.
He made a big sacrifice by using the Vajra from his.
What an answer! Put your hands together. Asian International School. Actually, Maharshi Dadhichi sacrificed his body and from his asthi, the ashes, Vajra was made. And that Vajra was used to destroy the Brittasura, and Dadhichi bones from the Vajra, symbol of the medal of Paramvir Chakra. Well done, everybody, teams. Come to the end of the first round. Put your hands together. Well done. We'll check out the scores. Thank you so much. APJ School, Salt Lake, yet to open their account. Asian International School on 20. Brainiac Heritage on +10, North Point Day School yet to score, Olivier English Medium School yet to score, Raiganj Lions JMDA DAV Public School on 10, Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan yet to score, but never mind. Satish Chandra Memorial School leading the pack with 25. Put your hands together for them. Future Scholars Academy, the home team, is poised on 15. Thank you so much. Well done. We'll go to the next round. This is an interesting round. It's a crossword round. And as you understand, this crossword round is being approached to APJ School Salt Lake. APJ School Salt Lake, are you there? Console, is APJ School there? Yes or no? I'll go to the Asian International School. It's a crossword round. Famous Indian scientists. Asian International School. Which one will I open for you? Asian International School? Which one will I open for you?
First one from this end.
Huh?
Left side. 9D from the left.
9D.
First
Now 9D is down.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
down.
I am opening 9D. He was an eminent Bengali chemist, educationist, historian, industrialist and philanthropist. He established the first modern Indian research school in chemistry post-classical age and is regarded as the father of chemical science in India, paying tribute to 9D. Yes, please.
Chandra Rai.
Can see 90
What is your answer?
Prafulla Chandra Rai. Prafulla Chandra Rai. Prafulla Chandra Rai. Prafulla Chandra Rai, sir. Prafulla
P.C.
Chandra Rai.
Roy or Prafulla Chandra Roy is the correct answer. Asian International gets +10. Put your hands together. And on this occasion, paying tribute to the great saint and a scholar. Next question, Brainiac Heritage School. Which one would I choose? Brainiac? Choosing 6A for you. Mathematician known for his brilliant contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fractions. 1, 9, 6 across. Mathematician known for his brilliant contribution to mathematical analysis. 6 across. I open the first one for you. Yes, Brainiac Heritage. So everybody is engrossed. We are actually watching a real-time science quiz here. Are you trying, Brainiac?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bolo. So thought process is going on. I would have loved console to play something here, some sound, but never mind. They are doing a fantastic job. 24 hours TV. Thank you for being our partners here. Are you trying our pass off? Passing to North Point. Yes, North Point. Socrates. No. Olivier English Enlightened School, Shiliguri. Yes, Srinivasa Ramanujan is the correct answer. S. Ramanujan, fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Who gave this answer? Olivier English Enlightened School, you gave the answer? Is it Olivia?
Yes, sir.
Put your hands together. Next question. Next question is Olivia. Your question, I believe. Oh, North Point. Next question goes to North Point. Next question going to North Point. North Point, your question coming up. North Point, which one will I choose? Is it North Point or team number 3? Acha, North Point, okay. North Point. कौन सा चूज करे? 7D. 5D, okay. Physicist, biologist and archaeologist who pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics. First Indian to teach science at Presidency College, Kolkata. 114. 5 down. Let us see once again. Physicist, biologist, archaeobiologist, pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave. First Indian to teach science at Presidency College, Kolkata. Are you trying? Yes, please. J.C. Bose, Jagadish Chandra Bose is indeed the correct answer. Fantastic performance. Well done. Put hands together. So North Point getting J.C. Bose. Next question going to Olivia English.
Sir, we are answering. Sir, we are answering. Olivia just answering now. Not North Point.
Sir, we are getting answered, sir. It is the question is getting overlapped.
No, it will not get overlapped.
Olivia said the answer.
Just now Olivia answered this question, sir.
Just now Olivia answered this question. Give Olivia plus 10. And in that case what I do is I take the point that this is Olivia's direct question and we go back to North Point Day School with their direct question. Clear? Because North Point was supposed to answer this question, Olivia jumped and gave the answer. Don't do that, okay? Only when it is your turn you give your answer. So going back to North Point, your question coming up now. We'll skip the Olivia question. Next question, huh? So North Point, which are you choosing? Let me choose for you. 4A. He was Indian physicist, astronomer who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. 6, 8. This is North Point question. That was 8A. No, sorry. Which one I selected? 4A, yes, 4A. He was an Indian physicist and astronomer who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. Okay? Yes. Starts with V. 4A. This is North Point's question. Vikram Sarabhai, North Point. You are absolutely on the spot. Can all clap and put your hands together, please? Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Lot of technicalities are associated here. Well done. Now I'll skip Olivia. We'll go to Raniganj Lions JDMC DAV Public School. 70. Okay, we are choosing a short one. Mathematician, physicist, best known for his collaboration with Albert Einstein in formulating a theory related to the gas-like qualities of electromagnetic radiation. Yes, please. Wait, I'll come to you.
S.N. Bose.
Sir S.N. Bose.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. S.N. Bose.
Let us see, computer G. S.N. Bose, the correct answer. Put hands together for them. Next question going to Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Let me take 8A. Is okay with you? Or 2D? 8A. He was an Indian scientist, statistician from erstwhile Bengal. He has been considered the father of modern statistics in India. His most important contributions are related to large-scale sample surveys. He introduced the concept of pilot surveys and advocated the usefulness of sampling methods. Who is this great son of Mother India? 8A. Okay. बोलो.
And hearing you.
Sir Ronald Fisher.
Sir Ronald and Fisher.
Ronald and
Ronald
No.
Yes, sir.
So now Salt Lake Shiksha could not answer. Satish Chandra Memorial School. So this is a bit difficult quiz, but it will happen, so don't worry.
Sir,
Not
the
right.
answer is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis.
Who gives this answer? Satish Chandra Memorial
Satish Chandra
School?
Memorial School.
What an answer! Father of Indian statistics, Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. This is magical stuff. Put your hands together. What a performance! 8A. That is given by Satish Chandra Memorial School. Next question. Whose direct question is this next one? This is Satish Chandra direct question now? Okay. Satish Chandra, your direct question coming up. I'll go for 10A. Known for his crucial role in development of India's missile and nuclear program. I give one hint. Yes, Satish Chandra Memorial School. Who is he? Another greatest son of India has ever produced. Yes, Satish Chandra.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam, put your hands together. We are paying tribute. तालियों का गड़गड़ाहट हो जाए. Please, come on. The only time I feel a bit down during an online quiz is I keep on shouting, but I cannot see your faces. Cannot see the wonderful, smile, radiance. But you are the champions of tomorrow. Last question, the home team. Future Scholars Academy. So I think I'll go for 1A. Going for 1A. He was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at the TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, colloquially known as the father of India's nuclear program. It's a very long one. So 416. Homi J. Bhabha. These children are magical. Put your hands together. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you, teachers. You have been magical for this. Homi J. Bhabha. We come to the end of this round and let us see what has happened to the scores. That is a fantastic performance. Put your hands together. 2 more rounds. We are on time with your friend Quiz Master Rajiv this evening. APJ school is out of contention. I am unable to get them. I don't know why. But never mind. Asian International School are on 30. Put your hands together for them. Brainiac Heritage School on 10. North Point Day School on 10. Olivier Enlightened School 20. Raniganj Lions JDMC DAV Public School is on 20. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan yet to score. Never mind. Satish Chandra Memorial School on 45. Put your hands together for them. But closely contesting Future Scholars Academy Baduria, the home team on 25. Put your hands together for them. We'll go to the next round. So this round will be going to team number 2, Asian International School. Well, children, do you have anything to say? I hope you are enjoying the quiz. It is a bit difficult, but I think when you go back, you have a huge knowledge. Thank you so much. With your friend Quiz Master Rajiv. This evening, ladies and gentlemen, the first question going to Asian International School, you have to name the name of the documentary or the movie you see. Are you ready? Console sound.
लंगड़ियों केला लंगड़ियों கதைய கொஞ்சம் பாரு சேவல் மொழிக்கு முன்ன பிறக்கிறானே கண்ண இந்த சிறுவனோட கதைய கேளு எழுப்பிடுவாங்க
Asian International School.
I
Your
am
question.
Kalam. The biopic of APJ Abdul Kalam. I am Kalam.
I am Kalam. I'm not saying you are right or wrong, Asian International School. Brainiac Heritage School.
Missile Man of India.
North Point
APJ Abdul
Day
Kalam.
School.
Sir, Abdul Kalam Azad. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Olivia English Enlightened School, Shiliguri.
Sir, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Raniganj Lions JDMC DAV Public School.
मिसाइल मैंने की बोल रहा है ओके अब्दुल कलाम के ছিল
Missile Man of India.
Missile Man of India. Okay. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan.
The Missile Man of India.
Satish Chandra Memorial School.
I am Kalam.
The Future Scholars Academy, Baduria. I am Kalam. I think I should give Asian International School +5. They are very near. We'll see the answer. Sound.
பொய் கனவு
अस्सलाम टू कलाम. कलाम साहब को हम लोग सलाम करते हैं आज इस अवसर पर, ये पावन अवसर पर. Your friend Quiz Master Rajiv saluting one of the greatest sons of Mother India. Can we please put our hands together for this visionary? We do miss you. He is a great soul. Never mind, well done. Brainiac Heritage School, your question coming up. You will be listening
Yes,
to
sir.
someone. Listen carefully. Who has been interviewed. She is a great lady, a scientist.
I read somewhere it was your mother who really pushed you to an interest in physics.
Yeah, she was a learned teacher who couldn't go for taking up as a job as a teacher. So we are 5 girls and 1 boy. She gave equal education for all of us and wanted all the girls to be working lady, and that's how I took up the engineering part, then came to the missile field and working as a scientist.
And what were some of the challenges you faced, Dr. Thomas, being a woman?
Yeah, it's a challenging journey as far as science is concerned, but science doesn't have gender. So we need to master the science. If you are technologically, you know how.
Science does not have a gender. She is a great scientist. If you can give her nickname also, I'll accept. Either you name her or give her nickname.
Asima Chatterjee.
Brainiac Heritage School.
Asima Chatterjee.
That is not Asima Chatterjee. Good try. She is a great lady. North Point Day School is wonderful. I mean, Opola ma'am must be very happy because she is herself a disciple of Asima Chatterjee. She must be watching now. Okay, North Point Day School.
Sir, pass.
Pass. Olivia English Enlightened School. Raniganj Lions JDMC DAV Public School. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Satish Chandra Memorial School.
Sudha Murthy.
Sudha Murthy. Good try, no? Future Academy, Future Scholars Academy, Baduria. Janaki Ammal. Good try, no? Asian International School.
Pass.
That was Brainiac Heritage's question, I believe. Honoring India's missile woman, Dr. Tessie Thomas.
Yeah, she was a learned
Put your hands
teacher
together.
who couldn't go for taking up
Never
as a
mind.
job
If
as
you
a teacher.
don't know, that's good.
So we are 5 girls and 1 boy. She gave equal education for all of us and wanted all the girls to be working lady, and that's how I took
Can we
up
put
the
your hands
engineering
together
part
loud and clear
and,
for her?
came to the
Tracy
science
Thomas,
field and
madam.
working
Salam
as
to
a
Kalam,
scientist.
salam to you also.
And what were some of the challenges?
Next question. Next question going to? Is it North Point's question?
Knowledge comes from the humblest of origins. I'm here to publish. The letter only contained a small sampling of my
Half and half.
discoveries.
Identify the mathematician.
This will take a lifetime.
And
Maybe
name the
two.
movie.
Integrals, infinite series.
I've never seen anything like them. How did you know that theorem?
It came to me. You don't pull a stunt like that in my class. Get out! These steps you want, I do not know how to do. Where do you think you're going? This is our home. Don't you know what I've given up to be here? I have nothing. You wanted to know how I get my ideas. God speaks to me. There are no proofs.
We're just supposed to take him at his word? No, you're to take him at mine.
Either give me the name of the mathematician or name the movie. Either will do.
Sir, is it North Point Day School's question?
It is North Point Day School's question.
Sir, we need to scientist, right, sir? Sorry, Mathian. The
Who?
name is Srinivas Ramanujan.
Srinivasa Ramanujan. And name of the movie?
Sir, the man who knew infinity.
Fantastic! What an answer! Come on, put hands together. The man who knew infinity.
Matters of the heart. We are merely
And
explorers of infinity.
1729
in
is the Ramanujan
pursuit of
number.
absolute perfection.
When he went to meet Hardy, that was the number of one of the taxi cabs. What a performance. Salute to you. North Point. Brilliant. Next question to Olivier English Medium School. Your question. At Bose Institute is placed the bas relief of a woman with prayer beads in the lamp in her hand, designed by Maharashtrian sculptor Vinayak Pandurang Karmakar, modeled on the famous painting of X by Nandalal Bose, called The Lady with the Lamp. A portion of her ashes are also kept there. Its emblem is the Vajra, which she designed and suggested as a possible national emblem, and flag design as early as 1906. Identify this great lady. Question number 4. Olivia English Enlightened School, Shiliguri. Okay. Who says this? Olivia English Enlightened School, you give the answer? I just heard your answer. Speak loud, please. You're right. Give me the answer. You have already answered. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा. They have already given the answer. Where is Olivia? Yes, you gave the answer right now.
Yes.
Once again give the answer. बोलो, you are right. क्या हुआ? You said the answer. Say it once again. I'll pass off. Sorry. Raniganj Lions JDMC DV Public School. Raniganj. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Satish Chandra Memorial School. Where is he?
Sister Nivedita.
Sister Nivedita is the correct answer. Margaret Level. What an answer. Brilliant answer. Sister Nivedita. Satish Chandra Nivedita. Memorial School plus 10. Okay. Next question to Raniganj. Sound.
আমাকে বোধহয় তাদের কোনো সার্টিফিকেট আছে? আগে যাদের কাছে কাজ করেছো তাদের কোনো চিঠি ভিসি রায়, ইনি কে? আগে প্রফুল্লচন্দ্র রায়, আচার্য প্রফুল্লচন্দ্র রায়, বেঙ্গল কেমিক্যাল সায়েন্স কলেজে। তিনি তো কবে মারা গেছে? আগে না, তিনি আজও বেঁচে আছেন বাঙালিদের মনের মধ্যে। পর্দা তুমি বড় বাজে বকো। এই কি কাজ জানো? আগে সব
Saw the movie, and there is a reference of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Rai, whose birthday we are celebrating today here at the TFSA Quizzical Name the movie, either the Bengali or the Hindi version. Very famous movie. Raniganj, that was your question. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan? গল্প হলো সত্যি, ঠিক বলেছো, পুরো গল্প হলো সত্যি। And the Hindi version is Bauchi. Well done friends. Next question going to Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Your question coming up. Somebody said, ancient Indian history is replete with accounts of a mighty people gifted with higher intellect and their intense study of life and nature. When other parts of the world were groping in dark ages, India was shining brilliantly in its full glory. Although almost all of their great achievements have been wiped away in the flux of time, their remnants still speak of the great struggle they give in discovering the hidden secrets of nature and of the ultimate desire for conquering them. The person who said this, he was also a visionary who took India before the world and created a niche for himself. Who am I talking about? Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Make a guess. You don't know the answer, no problem. He genuinely said India was a great civilization. Time and barbaric invasions have destroyed a lot of things.
Dr. Sarvapalli.
Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Good try.
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
No. Satish Chandra Memorial School.
Einstein.
Einstein. No. Future Scholars Academy. Say something. APJ Abdul Kalam. No. Asian International. Brainiac Heritage School.
Skip. We will skip.
Sir,
Who?
North Point Day School, can I say? North Point Day School. Sir, it is C.V. Raman.
North Point Day School says C.V. Raman. No. Olivia English Enlightened School. Not saying? What is he saying? Not SN Bose. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan. Oh, so Raniganj. Say something. If you don't know an answer, then take my name, Quizmaster Rajiv Sani. Passing? Anybody in the audience? This is said by Swami Vivekananda. Okay, next question goes to Satish Chandra, your question coming up. Aha. We have already asked this question. So let us skip this one. LHC, the Gott particle. There is an intrinsic Indian connection to the discovery of Higgs boson at CERN. Higgs boson. The Indian scientist after whom the subatomic particle was named. Over the years, CERN, the world's largest particle physics laboratory, had been Indian scientists make quite a mark for themselves. They have developed the Large Hadron Collider, the largest single machine. So, which Indian scientist's name is connected with this Gott particle? Satish Chandra Memorial School.
SN Bose. SN Bose.
SN Bose is the correct answer. Put your hands together. Satyendranath Bose, the father of the Gott particle. The last question coming to Future Scholars Academy. It's a different question. It's a audio-visual question. I mean, it's a different one. You have to either identify who wrote this song, who composed this song, or who is the singer. what? Composer, lyricist or the singer? Writer. No. Lata Mangeshkar is the correct answer. It is written by Muhammad Iqbal, set to tune by Pandit Ravi Shankar and sung brilliantly by Lata Mangeshkar ji. Put your hands together, come to the end of this round. We'll check out the scores. The last round, we'll just squeeze to the last round. End of round 3. Check out the scores. 10 minutes. So the TFS a quizzical with your friend Quizmaster Rajiv, the scores. APJ School, okay, they have not participated. Asian International School on 35, put hands together for them. Brainiac Heritage School is on +10, put hands together for them. North Point Day School on 20, put your hands together for them. Olivia English and Latin School on 20, put hands together for them. Raniganj JDMC DAV Public School on 20, put your hands together for them. Well done. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan on +10, put your hands together for them. Satish Chandra Memorial School leading the pack on a whooping 65, put your hands together for them. And also not far behind with the home team, the Future Scholaris Academy on 35. Come to the last round. I hope you have been enjoying the quiz this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege. So you are ready? All buckled up? No tension? Be happy. Sound please. The multiple option round. If you get the answer right in the first option, you get +15. In the second option, +10. In the third option, +5. And in fourth option, you get something which is round in shape, white in color, dipped in white syrup. Thank you friends, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Quizmaster Rajiv Sanyal back with the final round of this gripping quiz. First question goes to Asian International School. Please highlight Asian International School console. Your question coming up. The word science is derived from the word skier, meaning option A, logic, option B, to know, option C, information, and option D, intellect. Playing for 15. What is your answer? Team number, Asian International School, Orithro, Ritojit, and Obronil.
To know.
Your answer is to know. Dekhte hain? Is a brilliant answer. Put your hands together for them. +15. Wonderful. Superb. Next question. We'll be going to Brainiac Heritage School. Taija Tamanna, Sheikh Jinia, and Anishka Khatoon. The fruit has a unique property of blooming from evening to midnight, and it is also known as the moonflower. Option A, dragon, option B, durian, option C, lychee, and option D, apricot. What is your option, Brainiac Heritage School? Yes, Brainiac.
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit? My goodness. It's a brilliant answer. Put us together for them. +15. Everybody doing so well. North Point Day School. Ritobina, Parthiv, and Tanishq Shah. Your question coming up, Computer G. This Indian mathematician, who is best known for calculating the height of Mount Everest. Option A, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Option B, P.C. Mahalanobis. Option C, Radhanath Sigdar. And option D, C.R. Rao. Whose question is this? North Point, is it your question?
Sir. just a minute, can for a bit, means for a while.
You can call him a mathematician. Actually, he has something to do with trigonometric calculations. Okay, done. Is it Srinivasa Ramanujan, P.C. Mahalanobis, Radhanath Sikdar or C.R. Rao? What is your option? Chalo, quick.
Can you please show the option again? It is not coming.
Yes, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Console ji, एक बार दिखा दीजिए, please. Please show the screen once again. Option A, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Option B, P.C. Mahalanobis. Option C, Radhanath Sikdar. Option D, C.R. Rao. Bolo.
Sir,
What is the answer?
Sir, the third option.
Third option is the, which one the third option? Srinivasa Ramanujan,
Sir, it is
P.C.
not
Mahalanobis, Radhanath Sikdar, C.R. Rao.
Radhanath Singh.
Huh? Which one?
Sir, please show the option. It is
ऑप्शन फिर एक बार दिखा दीजिए. Which one? 1. Srinivasa Ramanujan. 2. P.C. Mahalanobis. 3. Radhanath Sikdar. 4. C.R. Rao. Which one? Which one? Which one?
Sir, Radhanath.
Radhanath Sikdar is indeed the correct answer. Put hands together for them. Plus 15. Going to the next question. Olivia English Enlightened School, Shiliguri. Your question coming up now. Pomology refers to the study of vegetable, spices, fruits or plantation crops. एक बार दिखा दो फिर स्क्रीन को. वेजिटेबल, स्पाइसेस, फ्रूट्स और प्लांटेशन. बताओ. क्विक क्विक क्विक. Fruits.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Put your hands together is the correct answer. Plus 15. Everybody is scoring. Next question. Raniganj Lions JDMC Enlightened School. Sorry. Raniganj Lions JDMC DAV Public School. Your question. Who is known as the father of India's space program? Vikram Sarabhai, C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam or Satish Dhawan? Raniganj Lions JDMC DAV Public School. Vikram Sarabhai, C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, Satish Dhawan.
Vikram Sarabhai.
Vikram Sarabhai is indeed the correct answer. Everybody playing well, everybody scoring 15. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan, your question coming up now. Anteri was merely another wild fruit to relish that grew in the jungles of Zero Valley, a habitation of Apatani community situated atop 5,600 feet in Arunachal Pradesh's lower Subarsini district. This fruit is properly known as option A kiwi, option B lychee, option C blackberry and option D cashew. Anteri was a wild fruit to relish that grew in the jungles of Zero Valley, a habitation of Atapani community. So how is it known as? Kiwi, lychee, blackberry, cashew. Satish Chandra? Yes, please. Slowly, slowly. What is the option? What is the option?
Option A, kiwi.
Option A, kiwi is the correct answer. Put your hands together. So the last question of this absorbing quiz coming up. I am thanking everybody here This is the wonderful occasion. Next question going to Satish Chandra. Who is known as the father of plastic surgery? Charaka, Susruta, G.D. Naid or Hippocrates? Who is known as the father of plastic surgery? Charaka, Susruta, G.D. Naid or Hippocrates?
Option B, Sushruta. Sushruta.
Option B, Susruta. They are so excited. Is the correct answer. Put your hands together. The final question coming up. I don't know whether the home team Future Scholars Academy. I take a small break. Be with us, children. 2 minutes. We're coming back with this absorbing quiz today. PFSA Quizzical 2021 with our friend Quiz Master Rajiv Sanyal. The last question coming up. Things evenly poised.
ফিউচার স্কলার্স একাডেমি পাগলিয়া থানার অন্তর্গত আরবিলিয়া গ্রামে উদ্বোধন হচ্ছে একটা নতুন উদ্যোগ সিবিএসই কারিকুলামের আন্ডারে। তার মানে গ্রামের ভিতরে থেকেও আপনার সন্তান ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবে, ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম স্কুলে পড়বে। এই নতুন উদ্যোগের সঙ্গে আপনিও থাকুন, আমিও রয়েছি। শুধু তাই নয়, এখানে রয়েছে ক্রিকেট একাডেমি, আর তার সঙ্গে যাদের বাবা মারা তাদের সন্তানদের এখানে ভর্তি করবেন, তো আপনি ইংরেজিতে অতটা ফ্রেন্ডলি নন, আপনার সাহায্যের জন্য স্কুলে গিয়ে এসছে, রয়েছে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ ক্লাস। সুতরাং দুটো সুযোগ একসাথে, আপনার সন্তান ইংরেজি স্কুলেতে পড়বে, নতুন আলোর মুখ দেখবে, তার সাথে আপনি নিজের জীবনকে আরেকবার তুলে ধরতে পারবেন।
The Future Scholars Academy, Empowerment of Education. Under CBSE curriculum with best amenities and very nominal fee structure. With most all-round facilities like cricket academy, science lab, computer lab, proper swimming pool, kids play area, singing and dancing classes, martial arts, yoga classes and many more. Admissions open for session 2020-21, nursery to class 8. For more details, log on to www.tfsacademy.in. Call or WhatsApp now 97488 71111 97488 31111.
Future
Me a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope one day will join us and the world will be as one. With these great dreams today, we are coming to the end of this absorbing day of quizzing. I thank all the stakeholders, the teachers, the principals. They have taken such pains to bring your children in. And children, I salute you because you are the champions of tomorrow. And I get this opportunity to pay my obeisance, my tribute to the great scientists and the scholars who have made India proud. And I'm sure all the children participating today will be tomorrow's champions. Win or lose, it doesn't make a difference. You have been absolutely superb. So let us put our hands together for the organizers, for the home school organizing this, and for all the teachers who have come together to make this a resounding success. Come on, put your hands together, please. Thank you so much. The last question coming up, that is the Future Scholars Academy, APJ Soldier School, Asian International School, Brainiac Heritage School, North Point Day School, Olivia English Enlightened School, Shiliguri, Raiganj Lions, JDMC Dairy Public School, Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan, Satish Chandra Memorial School, and the home school, Future Scholars Academy, and our broadcast partners who has given us this studio to broadcast from 24 hours. Thank you so much. The last question coming up. Which vegetable became the first one to be grown in space in 1995 by NASA? Here They are magical people. What an answer! Potato is the correct answer. Put hands together for them. Plus 10. Plus 10. Well done. That is super. That is excellent. That is magical. So, can we play the sound please at the backdrop? Future Scholars Academy Baduria presents the TFSA Quizzical. There were 2 competitions with a tie. We don't need to break the tie. Leave it out. So Asian International is on plus 50. Put your hands together for Asian International. Thank you so much. Brainiac Heritage School is 25. Well done. Put hands together for them. North Point Day School is on 35. Well done. Put hands together for them. तालियां का गड़गड़ाहट हो जाए. And I think we can see the entire screen. Can you? Yes, yes. Now it's looking good. Put your hands together. Olivia Enlightened School from Shiliguri. Thank you so much. Raniganj Lions JDMC Dairy Public School on 35. Put your hands together, please. Salt Lake Shiksha Niketan on 25. Put your hands together for them. Satish Chandra Memorial School is on 80. Put your hands together for them. Magical performance. Future Scholars Academy Baduria on 50. Put your hands together for them. So everybody is a winner, but officially, as I understand, the slot number 2 and 3 has been equally shared by Asian International School and the Future Scholars Academy on 50. Put hands together for them. But the champion today is on 80. Satish Chandra Memorial School. Put hands together for them. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Before I sign off, I acknowledge my gratitude to this Future Scholars Academy, especially Opala ma'am, for giving the opportunity, the scientists, the scientific community, the teachers. You have been absolutely magical. It's a time for celebration, and as I might say, it's a wonderful quotation. These are very famous lines. Make me thy lyre even if thy forest is shedding thy lips like thy own. The tumult of thy mighty harmonies will take from both an autumnal tone. Ladies and gentlemen, sir, madam, to err is human, to forgive divine. There might have been some technical faux pas. I also thank Mr. Kutti and 24 Hours TV for giving us the opportunity. Kabhi alvida na kehna. See you next time with a great quiz. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Adab. I pass the baton over to the organizers here. Thank you.
Excuse me. Hello everyone, once again welcome back. My name is Kika Haldar and I am the coordinator of the host school, the Future Scholars Academy, and I have with me
myself Shattiki Ghosh and I am the junior coordinator of TFSA quiz.
So we have the winners now. So in junior group we have the first Asian International School, second is the Future Scholars Academy, and third is Olivia English Enlightened School. And in the seniors we have the first Satish Chandra Memorial, second is Asian International, and we have 2 second. So the next one is TFSA, that is our school, the Future Scholars Academy.
It's an honor to have been asked to offer a vote of thanks today to everyone present here. On behalf of our school, TFSA, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the entire management group of our school and our principal ma'am, who gave our students such a wonderful platform to acquire knowledge and first-hand experience along with enjoyment. A special vote of thanks goes to our Laltu sir and Preetilata ma'am for being with us. Apart from this, I express our heartfelt gratitude to our quizmaster Rajiv Sanyal and studio partner 24 Hours TV and its to CEO Mr. Sajid Kutti and all the technical persons for their kind cooperation and support.
It has been our tribute to host all the members and audience of the TFSA Quizzical program. I am thankful to all of the participants, coordinators and the principals who groomed their children for today's event. The budding rock stars made this event memorable with their impressive performance. Everyone present here enjoyed it. Last but not the least, this event would not have been successful without our parents. So, a big round of applause to everyone.